Hello, welcome to the Insight Labs Looker Studio tutorials. I'm Erol and I help marketers make better decisions using data. In this video, we will talk about scheduling dashboard delivery to our colleagues, clients, and contributors. To schedule your dashboard to be delivered in a given cadence to anyone, you just need to come over here and click on this drop-down menu. Then you will see invite people, just like we discussed in the previous video, schedule delivery, get report link, we discussed about this as well, or downloading the report. Downloading the report can give you the ability to download the report as a PDF file. You can select, custom backgrounds, ignorance, add a link to report or password protection, etc. But let's stick with the main topic, which is scheduling a delivery. Once I click on it, I will see that the settings and filters. First, here you can see that the email will come from myself. And two, those we want to add here. It can be any client that we want to add. So let's say that this is the client, or this might be my teammates, colleagues, contributors, etc. I can then customize the email subject and message, but we can talk about it a minute later. So let's select the start time. Today is January 20th. That I'm recording this video. Let's say that the start time will be the 21st, and I want to send this email to at, let's say, 9 a.m. I can select on these any other dates as well. If I may want to set this dashboard to my colleagues, clients, friends, etc. in a daily cadence, or every Tuesday, or monthly, or you can select customize the cadence. So I mostly use weekly. On Mondays, I send the dashboards to my clients on Monday mornings so that they can see what's happening. And then I can click on this customize email subject and message. So as you see, the existing subject is the name of the dashboard, demo GA4 dashboard. Let's say that this is the Insight Labs GA4, let's say overlook. Okay. And the message is that, hi, Insight Labs team. Here is the weekly dashboard. Best. Okay, this might be it. As soon as I save it, it will start sending those emails on the selected days, and it will continue sending these emails in the selected cadence. I can also send this email right now by clicking on this Send Now button. Other than that, since I have only one page, which is an untitled page, I may not be able to do much, but I can add filters like select this time range for this page, but the other time range for the other page, etc. So let's stick with this section. All right, this is the end of the tutorial. It's a relatively short one. And in the next video, we will talk about how everything comes together. So we made a dashboard, we added some filters, we made these dashboards filterable using other charts, tables, etc. So let's start using it. How to find, let's discover how to find insights to using those dashboards. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please like the video. If you want to learn more about Looker Studio, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you want to learn more about data-driven marketing, consider subscribing to my newsletter. The link is on my channel description. And see you in the next video.